And Nike did like a whole set of a collection. They did what is called the World Tour. Are you a Nike airhead? Is that a thing? Put it in the comments. Welcome back to Kicks in the second half. Happy Air Max month. Like, what's up? What's up? So, you know, I had to do it. Had to get those Air Maxes. Let me show you the box real quick. Orange box. Is that picking up orange or red? I don't even know if it's orange. I think it is a red box. To be honest, I've never had a pair of Air Max 97's. I actually don't have a pair of Air Max 95's. I guess I need to get a pair of 95's. These look dope. I can't wait to put them on foot. But yeah, shout out to my mom, because I think my mom had a pair of 97's or 95's. I cannot remember. Boom, here you have the Air Max 97 wild berry color, this kind of lime, lemon lime green. What's on the box? Fireberry is the color of this wild berry color. The cool thing, what I like a lot about these Air Max 97s, especially with this color going through here, it's like Twizzlers wrapped around the sneaker. And I think that little bit of accent is cool when you have this black upper like this, green on the tongue there as an accent. The tongue has Fireberry check with a little bit of orange surrounding it. Same here. The inner and then the outer of the foot, the swooshes, then the back pull tab. I do love that Air Max logo spelt out with that 90s style font. Makes it very unique, makes it a great timepiece. The Air looks awesome in this shoe. It's almost like the shoe is kind of like a prelude to the 360s. 15 years later, boom, you get the 360 all the way around when you consider the Air Max 90s, the 95s, 97. Put in the comments which ones are your favorite out of those three from the 90s. I don't know yet until I get some 95s in hand, but I think I'm going to still stick with the Air Max 90s, but I'm definitely feeling these 97s. And Nike did like a whole set of a collection. They did what is called the World Tour, which is what's inside of the shoe. On the insole, I tried to find an outfit to make these colors work between bringing out the accents of that green and that Fireberry color. And I think I can pull it off, so let's see how it looks. It's going to be a little bit different, but I think it's a dope fit as far as being different and showing off the accents and the highlights of the shoe. There you have it, the Air Max 97s. I'm sure if you're an Air Max head, if that's, is it called Air Max head? Is there such thing as an Air Max head? Are you a Nike airhead? Is that a thing? Put it in the comments, please. Just let me know if it's a real thing. It could be, or we can make it up. Everybody, thank you for kicking in the second half. This has been Kicks in the second half. Oh, by the way, before I go, check me out on Instagram where I'll be wearing this shoe with the outfit that you see in the video at KISH YZ, KISH_YZ. Stay tuned and I'll have some more videos for you. Like I said, maybe I can get some 95s. I think I do have some Air Max 90s. Everybody, thank you, peace and love.